It's getting close to my hometown, yeah.
Your hometown?
Close.
Close.
We'll get to the top of a hill, up the highway, and then that'll be New Bedford. Not that one, no.
Where's the troll?
Joe's Used Cycles, I think I remember.
Don't remember.
Public Works.
This mall?
Okay, yeah, this mall here. Every week I'd come, you know, I'd Mom, please take me to the movie. Take me. She'd drive me, okay, drop me off, and I'd watch a movie.
Coming here?
Yeah, I saw the movie Jaws, the big shark, right off of the Massachusetts coast, and I never went in the water again after I saw that damn movie. A darn movie.
Wow, you are...
Wood Park here.
Oh, this is cheap gas there.
Yeah, sure.
Wow. CVS.
Yeah.
It's all
Buttonwood Park.
Buttonwood
Park, yeah. Dental, but that's the name of the park that's here, Buttonwood.
You want to cry?
No, I am thinking about some of my friends that never got out of this town. They died here. One of them did. See it? See the jail?
This is jail?
Yeah.
Jail?
I lived on this street, but down a few blocks.
Oh.
Okay? So it's the Bristol County Sheriff's Office. That's the jail. Yeah, I knew I was home.
Oh, you just looking for your home?
Yeah,
no?
I used to live on yeah.
Okay.
700 feet. Turn left.
Arnold and Ash. Coming right up.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here is this it? Yeah, this is okay, so my mom had a store right here. She had a little shop, okay? And my friends lived in that house with a white fence in the front, that right there. Or was it the one next to it? No, it was the one next to it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
The McKennas.
Oh.
Okay, so here's the house I lived at. We lived on the top floor.
This is top floor?
Yeah.
This looks like a new house.
No, well, they got new on the...
Turn left on
And see the garbage cans?
Uh.
My job was to bring the I got $4 a week to bring the garbage cans out.
Oh, there.
Yeah. 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 Oh my goodness. And there's let's see, there should be a garage where you get your car fixed. Oh, is it not there anymore? No, maybe it's down here. I don't remember.
Still have people
In 500
here.
feet. Turn left on Cottage Street. Turn left.
Yeah, Clinton. Yeah, so that's where it's gone now. They used to have a garage over there. The Square Deal Garage.
Turn left on Hawthorne Street. Then turn left on
Hawthorne.
Cottage
Yeah, I want to
Street.
go here. Look at these big old houses.
This house? I guess a church.
No. Oh, the hospital is down that way, where I was born. In the street.
Turn right
I'll
on
be
Union
damned.
Street.
Yeah. Look at these beautiful houses.
It's a quiet street.
Mm-hmm. These quiet little streets. Oh, Clinton. Here we go. Okay, so my friends lived.
Look at that house.
Yes.
Look at that beautiful house.
This was we used to call it the haunted house.
Haunted house.
Yeah. In the for Halloween, people would dress it all up and it would make it look scary. So let's see. Yeah, my friends all lived on this street. They lived here this house. And here. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, this is a church.
Yeah, I used to belong to this church.
Oh.
I used to sing in the choir. Grace Episcopal Church. Yeah. My church.
Your
My
church.
church.
Your
Yeah.
church.
My church. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, we'll go down.
Wow. It's big town there.
Well, I wanted to go by the library.
Library?
Yeah. Yeah, I think that, yeah, it's right over here. So I want to show you very famous.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is where. Okay, so this is the historic district down here. Okay. Hold on. Where is Johnny Cake Hill? It's down here somewhere. Oh wow, it's got big down here.
Is the level changing before like that?
No, right down here. Okay, so there's a very famous street. Okay, here's the sundial building. See on the front there? There's a little sundial. Oh, it's all one way, going that way. Okay. I'm gonna go this way. Go around. Oh yeah, well, let's go up to the library first. I'll show you.
Why you no show me in library? Why?
I want to show you. You'll see. There's a very famous statue in front of the library. Okay? And then we'll go down and then come over Johnny Cake Hill. Yeah, Pleasant. Yeah, my favorite street.
This is your favorite street?
Well, I'll show you. There's the library. This is the library here. See? In front of the library?
Here?
Yes.
Oh. Wow.
This is the courthouse and the library. Okay, so it says, yeah, I want you to see that. Okay.
Look at the guy.
Yeah. So this New Bedford used to be the whaling capital of the world. So when they would go out and catch whales, okay, and get the blubber and the oil from the whales, and they'd burn lamps and use it to put in clocks, because the oil was very, very fine. So this symbol is what the whalers used to say. You go out in a little boat and you harpoon the whale, and you got to kill that whale. It's a dead whale or a stove boat. That means the whale's gonna knock your boat over if you don't kill him. You understand? It means hit the mark. Okay? When you do your work, do it. Dead whale or a stove boat. Okay? Yeah, I know it sounds silly, but
They don't understand. Not much. Okay.
Cobblestone Street. So my mom was on the New Bedford Historical Society when they put these streets back in to repair them, to make it look like it was when it was in the 1800s. And each of these cobblestones cost 25 cents each. I remember that. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah.
Look at this. This is free coffee.
Free coffee? No, free Wi-Fi.
Oh.
Okay. King.
Well, I like here, yeah.
Isn't this a neat little town?
Mm-hmm.
This is how it was in the 1840s.
Wow, it's beautiful. Wow, look at that picture.
Okay, now, do you see this picture?
Uh,
So these are all people from. Here, let me show you. Okay. So this is why I am proud to be from Massachusetts. Okay. Because we fought the South, the American South, okay, against slavery. Okay, because in Massachusetts, all people were equal, but not in the South. They were slaves. Okay, so in Massachusetts, they had a black regiment of black soldiers who fought the Confederate Southern Army. That's Frederick Douglass, right, facing the underneath the flag. That's Frederick Douglass. Okay.
wow, it's a beautiful town.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
They made this area very nice. Took a lot of money when nobody had any money.
Hey, look at that. Follow me, you're.
What? No, we're gonna go down a very famous street. Okay. Gonna go by the Whaling Museum, and then this is called Johnny Cake Hill right here. Okay. And that place is still there. Ship's Chandler. I'll be damned.
This museum.
Arthur Manise Gallery. I'll be damned. So there's a movie called Moby Dick. Okay, it was made here in this town.
This is.
Yeah, this is called Johnny Cake Hill.
Oh, Summers.
Yeah, Siemens Bethel. It's a church for all the men who worked on the sea.
Okay.
Yeah. And that Sundial House is right here on the corner. Very, very famous place.
Wow, look at that.
Center for the Arts.
What's called that?
Johnny Cake Hill. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Let's go get something to eat. Okay. Oh, I don't know. I can't.
本来我们说先吃。
Oh, I can do it.
Left on R18 North. Then exit right.
Yep. So this is
My boat.
down here. Well, this should be. This used to be the Union Hall or something. What is it now? So see all the ships here? All these ships down here, they all go out and get fish and clams.
We just eating the ship.
Yeah, no, but all these fish, all these ships, fish, they get stuff that goes all over the world.
Ocean.
Yeah. Yeah.
看看好多船停到这，捕鱼的船。
Fish all over the place around here. It's cut school and come down here. Now here we're gonna go to Fairhaven. Just to take the boats. Places. This is all new here for the kids.
Big.
We got other ships over here. Big old trees. There's the library.
This is a big library.
Yeah, it's called the Millicent Library.
You're always coming here?
Yeah, I used to come. I think this is this the. Yeah.
It's like a church.
Wait a minute. No, that's not the Millicent Library. That's a church. It's the red one.
Turn left on Green Street.
Oh, I missed it. Yeah. You know what? When I heard her call out the GPS call out the street, I knew I was.
Right on Washington Street.
I think it's called. It's on Peace Center or Peace. I don't remember. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do.
It's church and close the library.
Yeah, this is the Millicent Library. Beautiful
Turn right
library.
on Walnut Street. Then
So
turn right on
cool.
Washington Street.
这个图书馆老公以前说他经常来。
It's a library. Isn't that beautiful?
It's beautiful.
This
Yeah.
here, yeah.
It's beautiful.
Might have been a church at one time. I don't know, but it's a
Turn right on
library.
You want to go in?
No. We can go in later if you want.
Wow, so different.
Yeah. First congregation.
再看一看，好漂亮啊！
Turn right on Washington Street. Then turn left on Green Street.
Here's another seafood place, which used to be my favorite. Now I understand the man I was here a few years ago, and the man who owned the place, he owned it when I was a little boy. So, but now there's a new owner, so I don't know if it tastes the same. So we're gonna find out.
Go ask.
No, you don't ask. We're gonna taste.
Well, let's taste.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, let's go. 哎呦喂！
Come on. Any drinks? Honey, you want something to drink?
Coffee?
Yeah. They don't have Coke. You have Coke?
餐厅。老公说，这个地方他总是坐在这儿。Just always sit down here this bench.
Yeah.
现在餐厅里面都没有多少人。看看他又点了什么。哇，是 too big. Always this.
Yeah.
Sad.
Oh, you know what? I need to get a fork.
Like it is today.
Yeah. Then I won't need it anymore, okay?
You just love this.
Yeah.
With 昨天晚上吃的一样。What's the name?
Fried clams.
Fried crab.
Yeah.
Fried fish. OK， 我们开始吃了。Big piece。我真的从来没看见过这么大的鱼块，是特别。
It's for 2 people, really. Or 3. Yeah. Big piece of cod.
把老公的脸都给它挡住，其他地方吃的那个鱼块都特别小。What's the fish name?
Codfish.
Codfish.
Yeah. Delicious. Yeah. So all the big pieces of fish, the large, extra large fish platter.
How much?
It was like 25 now. Yeah.
That's 25.
Yeah.
Too cheap.
Those big pieces of fish. Yeah. And,
So,
and
people
it used to be like $7 or $8 back in the 70s.
What year?
1977.
1970.
45 years ago.
哇！看见有一对老人吃了饭出去，先生打不开车门，打了好久。好像钥匙不管用啊，现在打开了。What is it?
Fried clam for you.
No, thank you. I'm full.
Full?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there was this was a fort to keep the, I think, the British out of here.
Fighting the British.
This tree, the cedar tree here, has been here since I was a kid. I have a picture somewhere of me in that tree, or just of that tree.
Okay.
I gotta touch it.
Go touch it.
Yeah.
老公回到他成长的地方，万千感慨。过了40年。
Look at that. Does that look familiar?
那个熬牙的。
Isn't that funny?
Let's
go look. Come on.
哎，再转回头来，已经是人到老年。看看这些小孩，那个时候老公就跟他们一样，在这里蹦啊跳啊。人真的是很快哦。You want to sit down? Faye? Want to fit? Keep going. You're with your, yeah, you young age. You're
10 years old, 8 years.
Ah,
10 years old.
with your girlfriend coming here?
Girlfriend? No. 10 years old? No. No.
Wow, it's different. Fourth July， 看看这个大炮瞄准海边。那时候
Cannon. Look at the size of those cannons. There. There's a plaque. Okay, here. Taken from the British at Nassau.
It's made in British.
This is British. This was made in Britain. and it was taken, captured from the British.
And they made in British and
then used to shoot at the British. Yeah. Oh yeah, here. So on the 7th day of September, 1778, the British troops landed from their ships in the bay for the purpose of burning Fairhaven and New Bedford. By the unflinching courage of Major Fearing, as commander-in-chief of the militia, the enemy was bravely met and completely defeated, and the town was saved. So there was a battle here. Yeah, the British landed here. Yeah. Yeah. Almost forgot.
Yeah. Go.
Go look. Go up the stairs. Wait.
Oh.
No, go up the stairs here.
And look at there.
What?
You two doors.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is called a parapet.
看这
24-pound gun.
最早的战场，看看这些大炮。
People stuff garbage in there. Unbelievable. So that's New Bedford there.
哦。我们现在走的这个
So this is called a hurricane jetty.
Hurricane
So
Jetty
when the storms come, it won't come in. You understand?
啊
Right, it blocks the water from coming. The hurricane
啊
protects the harbor and the boats. Yeah.
所以在这边就停了很多船。